Hey everyone, this is Leon's channel and I'm about to do an unboxing. I'm his beautiful wife. Hi.
Hey, beautiful one.
Hey. Today is my birthday. I happen to be 42 years old and I'm thankful to God to be alive. So hey, my sweet husband surprised me today with taking me to the Apple store, and this is what he got me. He had gotten me a iPad Mini 4. This is the casing of it, and this is how the back looks. It looks like it's a pretty slim model, and I think the color is gold. It's 128 gigabytes. Yeah, it's a iPad Mini 4 Wi-Fi, 128 gigabytes, and it's gold. So this is how it looks. It's wrapped in plastic. So let's unbox it. All right. So let's see. Okay. The lid is pretty sturdy, y'all. You know, it's protected well. Like I said, it came in plastic, and so the lid is, you know, pretty hard and sturdy. All right, so wow, this iPad is pretty light. I already have an iPad, and this one is much thinner than the one I have already. I have an iPad Mini. Oh my gosh, and it's engraved in the back. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Thank you, babe. My husband actually got it engraved for me, and like I said, today is my 42nd birthday, and so he got this iPad engraved, and it's gold.
You don't tell him what it says?
Yeah, I can tell him what it says. It says, "To Trish, with love from Leon," and that is so sweet. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So that's beautiful. So in the box is the actual iPad Mini. As you can see, it's really thin and it's lightweight. And then we have the charger right here. And so I have gotten a lot of iPads, and I really haven't looked at the contents of the iPads. You know, I just started using them. But this is just a color pamphlet just stating that it's an iPad Mini. It just tells you where the lighting connector button is, the home button, touch ID. Can you see that? Okay. And then it has like an iPad sticker on here. Well, actually it's a couple Apple stickers. And so it's just the iPad info. So it goes in this little pouch right here, and then of course we have the cord. So that's pretty much it.
You gonna unwrap it?
Sure. Okay, this is how it looks, and it actually fits in my hand like this, which is pretty cool. It's pretty amazing that I can like hold it like this. And so I'm gonna, oh, and let me show you the back. Again, that's this To Trish with Love from Leon, and I love the way this iPad looks because it just looks sleek to me. You know, it looks like jewelry. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. So I'm going to turn it on, which is not charged up. So,
Okay.
yep, it's not charged up. But, of course, we all know where the button is. You know what I'm saying? The camera, lens, and then we have the on and off. Well, the volume button up here. So, yeah. when I turn it on, I'll let you guys see.
Okay.
Beautiful.